Now let's talk about skills endorsements, recommendations, and volunteer experience. In your LinkedIn profile, you can put maximum of 50 skills. But however, it's really relevant to mention both hard and soft skills and to get endorsed for those skills by your peers, your colleagues, or your LinkedIn connections. Recommendations on your LinkedIn profile are very relevant because they bring you credibility, social proof. You should actually ask for recommendations. Now I will show you how to do that. Once you are on your LinkedIn profile, scroll all the way down to the recommendations part, where there are skills and recommendations. So, as you can see, I have received 11 and given 5 recommendations. If you want to ask some of your connections to give you a recommendation, simply click on Ask for Recommendation, choose the person, and send a message. Recommendations increase your credibility, the credibility of your profile and your personal brand, and increase the trust that your potential clients may have in you. See why volunteer experience matters? 40% of all recruiters see volunteer experience as a work experience. Let's see 9. Simply include it. Add a section, add profile section here, and click on either work experience, education, licenses, or volunteer experience. Click on this plus and simply add it. Now let's see again why skills endorsements recommendations matter. Profiles with at least 5 or more skills listed appear 27 times more in searches. And then again, profile with endorsements get 17 more views. And what's relevant to mention that only your first degree connections can endorse you. Also, skills strengthen your profile and bring more opportunities. When it comes to the updated work experience, it brings 8 times more views, 5 times more connection requests, and 10 times more messages. Now, why would you want to optimize your LinkedIn profile? Well, the point is that you want to be found by some keywords and by the industry that you are in and by location where you're at. So include those keywords in your profile summary or about section, in your work experience, in your headline. Include it in your projects within your work experience as well. The point is to get found in order to get more opportunities. If you want to learn more, enroll in my online course, Leverage LinkedIn for Personal Branding and Business Growth, with 45 actionable video trainings. You can find it on my website www.forbesmentor.com.